It is early morning. The apartment is quiet. Soft light enters through the thin curtains. The clock on the wall ticks like a small heartbeat. Layla wakes before the alarm. She sits up and listens. The city is still half asleep. She breathes in and out, slow and steady. Today is important. She tells herself, be calm, be ready. She puts on a plain shirt and a dark scarf. She ties her hair. Her hands shake a little, but she smiles. In the kitchen, she warms milk and slices bread. She spreads honey on toast. The smell is sweet and kind. Adam, time to wake up, she calls, gentle and warm. A small voice answers from the bedroom. A boy of 8 appears, hair messy, eyes soft. Good morning, Mama. Good morning, my star, Layla says. They sit at the small table. Adam kicks his feet and looks at the plate. Do I have to go to school today? He asks. Layla meets his eyes. School helps us grow, she says. Sometimes slowly, sometimes fast, but always forward. On the fridge, there are magnets, tiny drawings, and a photo. The photo shows Layla, Adam, and a man with kind eyes. The man has a half smile, like a secret sunrise. Adam looks at it for a second, then looks away. Layla's gaze softens. She does not speak. She opens a drawer, finds an old envelope with her name. She does not open it yet. She puts it in her bag. Come on, she says. We will be late for the bus. They step outside. The door closes softly. The sky is pale and silver. The street is wet from rain. People move like quiet shadows. The bus arrives with a sigh. Layla and Adam climb in and sit together. Will it rain again? Adam asks. Maybe, Layla answers. Some days bring rain. Some days bring light. Both help things grow. At the school gate, she kneels to fix Adam's collar. Be kind. Be brave, she says. He hugs her quickly and runs inside. Layla walks to a small park and sits on a bench. Now she opens the envelope. Inside, one piece of paper. She knows the handwriting. It is from Kareem, her late husband. The letter says, My dear Layla, if you are reading this, maybe the days are heavy. Maybe you feel alone, or tired, or lost. Please listen to me now. Be brave for him. Be brave for Adam. You are stronger than you think. One small step, and then another. I am proud of you already. Kareem. Layla presses the letter to her chest. Tears rise and fall quietly. She wipes her eyes and smiles. She looks at the sky. I hear you, she whispers. Then she sees her phone reminder. Interview at 11:30. She takes a breath. She is ready. The library is warm and peaceful. Shelves stand like quiet friends. Layla sits near the window and practices. Tell us about yourself. I am careful and calm. I learn fast. What is your strength? I listen well. I finish what I start. She writes small notes. Be clear. Be honest. Be brave for him. At 10:30, she walks to Adam's school. The hallway smells of crayons and soap. The teacher smiles. Adam is polite, she says. He is quiet, but bright. Layla feels proud. Thank you, she says. If he needs anything, tell me. The teacher nods. We are a team. Outside, rain begins again. The street shines like glass. Layla walks to the bus stop. In her pocket, her fingers touch the letter. She is calm. She is ready. The office is small but bright. Green plants stand in the lobby. Layla breathes slowly. Layla, says a man. Welcome. I am Mr. Amir. They walk inside. He and another woman ask questions. Layla answers clearly and softly. She talks about helping an old neighbor at the clinic. She explains how she fixed a mistake with patience. Why do you want this job? He asks. Layla thinks of rent, groceries, and Adam's eyes. I want a stable life for my family, she says. I work hard. I am patient. I want to grow. Sarah asks, what do you do when a day is heavy? Layla smiles. I break it into small parts. I take a breath. I continue. They thank her and smile. Outside, rain falls harder. Layla walks, shoes wet, but heart light. She kept her promise. The bus is late. Layla waits under a small shelter. Rain falls in soft lines. Her phone rings. It is an unknown number. Hello, this is Layla. A warm voice says, this is Mr. Amir. We'd like to offer you the job. Layla closes her eyes. Rain touches her face. Thank you, she says. I accept. She steps into the rain, laughing quietly. She whispers, I kept my promise. At the school gate, Adam runs to her. Mama, I answered a question in class today. She hugs him. Guess what? She says. I answered one too. They walk home together under one umbrella. At home, dinner smells like warm bread. Adam draws a picture of rain and sun. The sun is always there, he says. Layla smiles. Yes, always. When he sleeps, she reads the letter again. One small step, and then another. She smiles softly. Outside, the night is clean, and behind the clouds, the moon is bright.